Next, we have a sneaker that many of y'all probably haven't seen. We have the Nike Cortez Tiempo. So this is a classic Nike Cortez, but it's been remodeled to kind of match the Nike Tiempo boot, which is the football cleat. So you can see the inspiration for that right here with this tongue flap that's on most of soccer cleats from Nike, or that used to be. I'm not too sure. I'm not a soccer player or a soccer watcher, but yeah, I thought these were pretty cool, pretty interesting. We have like a nice silver leather going all the way up with, you know, black accents, kind of rubber pieces, or I'm not too sure actually what these are, but yeah, interesting. In the back we have a 72. I'm not too sure what that represents, but let me know in the comments below if you know. Yeah, pretty interesting pair of kicks right here. They've been completely choked out, so I gotta loosen up these laces, but I have no idea what I'll wear these with, or to be honest, if I'll keep them. After I unboxed it, they're pretty ugly, but I got these for a really good price, so maybe I'll get 1 or 2 wears out of them, but we'll see.